Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new video a blue shirt how to make custom WordPress themes, dress jobs and about is ideas very sent customer wallpaper and include took the method traffic and sold secure permission template 4.3 lovers affiliate and rank cost per permission full and granted the walls task and theirs it also joining one point home two clock three cameras fourth location fifth data six calling and the marketing place inclination the about us and keep vectors and alt schema section about yes port letters and maximum joinery and lot below sheet. WordPress is the most popular website building and content management system in the world, powering over 7.6 million blog and an estimate 13 state websites of all kinds. Access the global WordPress is free and easy to install. Use every you are complete beginners, but also it allow experienced use customer. It is code needed. One reason WordPress is so widely used it is visually early of themes of thousand of both free premium themes that can change appearance and layout of a hosted WordPress website with the click of no mouse, but you still can't find the perfect theme among these possible to make free WordPress theme from Exchange ones with later coding requirement. If you find useful this selection to learn how to make money WordPress themes, many be best solution you are needed. How to WordPress theme work. A WordPress is straight HTML code overlaid on the source code that create the themes and framework for WordPress site because a themes a stand part of source code. I can be changed and modified without affiliation strict of the site. It said the themes filler create template that use established and the look and layout and trust website you unfold vary their page and post share future and such the source some color background and font when to use install WordPress themes the themes and future automatically added to the site that's themes that's approved and you can request it simply choosing others ones are not all themes share and some features and layouts so we changing a WordPress themes it is make the nursery to record function and some parts of the page is great such is the very biggest or display likes with some plugging make not work our work the some way went to the themes and changing it. Customizing themes. Themes can be customized in number of basic way to write from the administrator desktop dashboard so that use with coding experience can make estimate changing such a additional customer hider changing background image and choosing among preloaded option for changing fonts size and colors. I'll target these changing can easy edit a customer look and extend themes. The limitation of the themes option that allow for more embedded customization using needed to look to the themes style sheet at CSS style sheet that define all primary of the themes. All themes are stored in the site shape constant followed folder in some selection target every depth level customization gain to in make not meet user needed also solution make V2 WordPress themes creation WordPress themes and complex process into some exploit with HTML, CSS, and PHP. The programming language used in WordPress such that process many new user not want to understand but is other way to make new WordPress themes by creating a child of an extract themes making a new WordPress themes. If you the option of red exchange themes simply don't meet the needed particular site user with design and development experience can tip and write a new template file HTML that include all themes and once complete this themes file and upload it via FTP and install and direct it install the WordPress themes directly want to install can active like any other themes created by third party developer creating child for exchange once of the allow user make to select smart changing simply and layout with themes and original template file. That's an improvement option because these developers many offer updates or changing to exchange and themes clearly load changing user made themes and file child themes provide problem with templates and from practice themes and files remember and click entry WordPress child theme and can edit many user which making child themes WordPress a child themes and suspension themes that and have owner name what you needed primary themes at work basic create we notified extend not complete new and search making themes and many requirements some experience coding and make files user without much can work child themes make some changing in site look and style to create child themes location the site fwp content themes file and the file manager your WordPress installing and creating folders child themes names and analyzing your like and clears that's new themes selected and exchange print themes for explain your mid partner name and child a site approved directory by style sheet and show code description all acceptation that site and look front spec colors by style sheet for new child themes and create new fixed file and style CSS. In order to make style foundation quickly, you needed and page code cancelled the style sheet header from WordPress coders source and technical expression work with WordPress the style sheet header requirement information such name of your new themes template project themes name your name others and themes and front once installed in this file will be holder content the new themes style sheet and improvement original themes style sheet by addition improvement the style css file once their style becomes a part a new child themes and edit especially and add to unique features in exchange themes both child name and partner available the want content file and activity deactivity and anytime hiders are new free WordPress themes are available from WordPress. It is for more constant biggest creator solution. Third party design themes are designing user friendly customization out the box and very user but optional don't redirect it visitor customer WordPress site possible to make your owner themes and make extend themes your owner we hope that his post is happened learn to make money WordPress themes learn how to make money a WordPress theme what do you have and question please share to this designation Joshan this and constant space blue shirt very this series Johnson's a content splasher blue shirt very webs a open guide and articles the technical community work like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update thanks for watching